Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media, seeing lavish lifestyles, and wondering, what does it actually take to be rich? Or maybe, is being rich even possible for someone like me? It's a question many of us ponder, often feeling like the answer is locked behind a secret vault. But what if I told you that being rich isn't just about private jets and mansions? What if it's about something far more attainable, something that could fundamentally change your life, your freedom, and your peace of mind? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and look at the real numbers for 2026, what it takes to be in the top 10%, 5%, and even the elusive 1%. And trust me, this isn't about making you feel overwhelmed. It's about empowering you with knowledge, showing you a path, and igniting that spark of possibility within you. Because true wealth isn't just a number, it's a feeling, a choice, and a journey. It's about building a life where you're not just surviving, but truly thriving. So, let's dive in and demystify what it means to be rich in today's world. Let's start with a goal that might feel surprisingly within reach, the top 10%. When we talk about being in the top 10% in 2026, we're generally looking at a net worth of around $1.8 to $1.9 million. This isn't just about the money you have in your bank account. It includes your investments, your home equity, and other assets, minus any debts. And for annual income, we're talking about households earning roughly $210,000 to $251,000. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. That still sounds like a lot. And yes, it is a significant achievement. But let's break it down. This isn't about winning the lottery. It's about consistent effort, smart decisions, and understanding the power of your money over time. It's about making intentional choices that compound into substantial wealth. Imagine what an extra $100,000 or $150,000 in annual income could do for your family. Think about the peace of mind that comes with having nearly $2 million in assets working for you, generating income even when you're not actively working. It means less stress about bills, more choices in your career, the ability to help loved ones without financial strain, and the freedom to pursue passions without constant financial worry. This isn't just about luxury, it's about security, opportunity, and a profound sense of control over your life. It's about having the freedom to say yes to experiences and no to obligations that don't serve you. Moving up, what does it take to join the top 5%? For 2026, we're looking at a net worth closer to $2.7 million. This level often means you've mastered the art of saving and investing, and your assets are now generating a significant portion of your income. And for income, households typically bring in $295,000 or more annually. This level of wealth isn't just an incremental step, it's a leap. It often signifies a point where your investments are truly starting to work for you, generating substantial passive income that can cover a significant portion, if not all, of your living expenses. It means you're not just comfortable, you're thriving. You have the ability to make significant charitable contributions, invest in your community, or even start that dream business you've always envisioned, knowing you have a strong financial safety net. This isn't about showing off, it's about the profound impact you can have, the doors that open, and the legacy you can begin to build. It's about transforming your what-ifs into what-nows. It's about having the resources to truly make a difference, both in your own life and in the lives of others. This is where financial independence truly begins to blossom, offering a level of freedom that most people only dream of. And finally, the pinnacle, the top 1%. This is where the numbers get truly staggering. For 2026, to be in the top 1% by net worth, you're looking at roughly $13 million. This often represents a lifetime of strategic financial planning, successful ventures, and significant investment growth. And for income, While it varies wildly by state, it's generally well over $400,000, often exceeding $1 million in many areas. This level of wealth often comes with immense responsibility and influence. It's a testament to extraordinary achievement, whether through entrepreneurship, high-level careers, or generational wealth building. It offers unparalleled freedom, but also the challenge of managing significant assets and making impactful decisions that can affect many. It's a world where financial constraints are largely removed, allowing for focus on large-scale projects, philanthropy, and shaping industries. For many, the 1% might seem like a distant dream, and that's okay. The journey to financial well-being is personal, but understanding this benchmark helps us appreciate the scale of wealth and the different levels of financial freedom that exist. It shows us what's possible, and that every journey, no matter how grand, starts with a single step. So, we've looked at the numbers, but here's the most important takeaway. Being rich isn't just about the dollar signs. It's about what those dollars allow you to do, feel, and experience. It's about the life you build, not just the balance in your bank account. For some, being rich means having enough saved to never worry about an unexpected expense, providing a deep sense of security. For others, it's the ability to spend more time with family, travel the world without financial limitations, or dedicate themselves to a cause they deeply believe in. It's about time freedom, peace of mind, and the power of choice. It's about living a life aligned with your values, free from the constant pressure of financial scarcity. Don't let these numbers intimidate you. Let them inspire you. Let them be a roadmap, not a barrier. Every single person who reached these levels started somewhere. They started with a decision, a plan, and consistent action. They faced challenges, made mistakes, and learned along the way. Your journey will be no different, and it's entirely within your power to begin. So, how do you start your journey towards your definition of rich? It begins with small, consistent steps and a commitment to your financial future. Let's break down some practical, actionable strategies you can implement starting today. First, educate yourself relentlessly. The world of personal finance can seem complex, but it doesn't have to be. Start by reading books, listening to podcasts, and watching videos from reputable sources. Understand basic concepts like budgeting, saving, debt management, and investing. The more you know, the more confident you'll become in making smart financial decisions. Knowledge is your most powerful asset. Second, master your budget and prioritize saving. This is the foundation of all wealth building. You need to know exactly where your money is going. Create a realistic budget that tracks your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards saving and investing. Make saving a non-negotiable priority, treating it like any other essential bill. Even small amounts saved consistently add up significantly over time. Third, invest wisely and early. The magic of compounding interest is real. Start investing as early as possible, even if it's just a small amount each month. You don't need to be a stock market guru. Begin with low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and tend to perform well over the long term. Automate your investments so you're consistently putting money to work for you without even thinking about it. Fourth, increase your income streams. While managing expenses is crucial, increasing your income can accelerate your wealth-building journey dramatically. Look for ways to grow your skills through online courses or certifications, which can lead to promotions or higher-paying jobs. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary. Consider starting a side hustle that leverages your passions or skills, turning extra time into extra income. Fifth, stay consistent and patient. Wealth is built over time, not overnight. There will be ups and downs, market fluctuations, and unexpected expenses. The key is to stay consistent with your saving and investing habits, even when things get tough. Patience is a virtue in finance. Trust the process, stick to your plan, and celebrate small victories along the way. Sixth, protect your assets. As you build wealth, it's crucial to protect it. This includes having adequate insurance, health, life, disability, and home or auto. Consider estate planning to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. A solid financial plan isn't just about accumulation, it's also about preservation. Remember, your financial journey is unique. Define what rich means to you, set your goals, and take that first step today. The future you will thank you for the decisions you make now. It's not about being perfect, it's about making progress, one deliberate step at a time. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Until next time, keep building your dreams, one smart financial decision at a time.